pushing heavy feet. Trap real deal, swinging, serving hella glee. Fucking with some real zombies, pushing heavy Z's. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they can't handle me. Home emotion fucked up, he can't sell a piece. Plug and sell all of this shit for cheap. Want a good ticket on Buzz, nigga, get with me. Nigga trying to creep, I'ma hit the heat. The block, I'ma circle up and all.
You too. Hey, look, this bitch swinging. God damn. Hey, hold on. Can we get a 2 minutes in today? That's a lot. It's a little hot in this bed, but I see snow everywhere, dog. I see snow everywhere. Tell them again, it's hot in here. It's hot, but there's a lot of snow everywhere. Snow everywhere. It's gonna get chilly, man. You too! Y'all niggas really at a motherfucking tailgate. It's loud as fuck, but I'm trying to pick up some content for y'all. It's a lot of motherfucking snow bunnies in here. Tell them it's a lot of motherfucking snow bunnies in this bitch. Gotta tell you, I ain't hot, but I feel cold in this motherfucker. All the snow bunnies throwing up that Z. Throwing up that what? Throwing up that Z. Hey, this is my first tailgate, so I'm gonna let y'all boys, I'm gonna see how it is. I'm making some public interviews, it's really loud, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to pick up some content for y'all boys. The whole gang coming through later on, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's here drunk and all, bro. We got a hoodie on, bro. It's a whole lot of people here that's drunk. Do you think so? You can burn over here, you can drink and all, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? This is like a white atmosphere culture, not to be racist. But yeah, I'm gonna try to pick up the camera and get some public interviews for y'all boys and see how that is. Y'all niggas really at this motherfucking tailgate, you know what I'm saying? Meet my friend Zoe.
Hi.
Everybody's over there. I got you. Let me. What was that? I'll do an interview, dog.
What's up? My smile is like weird.
Oh, let me hold your phone real quick so I don't lose y'all.
What's your name again?
Hey, stay safe, boy. Stay safe.
This is Max.
Max.
Haley.
What's up, man? What's up with the vlog? What's up with the vlog? What's up, man?
Hold on, what's the channel, bro? I support. She Love Tropical.
Subscribe, man.
Subscribe. She Love Tropical.
Say subscribe to She Love Tropical.
Are you doing the video? Hi guys, my name is Zoe. You can follow me on Instagram.
Hey, I'm
Hi.
Meet Zoe, man. I haven't seen her in like how long? 10 years?
I know him since elementary.
We haven't seen each other in like 10 years.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel, man.
Yeah.
Long strong friends, man.
Wait, do you remember me?
That boy, say something to the vlog.
Hey.
That boy Preston. That boy Steppin'.
Show the vlog what it is.
That boy Steppin'. Hey, look, man. Hey, y'all niggas just at the tailgate and shit. Nah, I say
You know it.
Niggas got. Nah, I said show the little 20 ball. That boy gleeful, man. Hey, but look, y'all niggas really at this tailgate. Nah, I said. Tell them what we was just doing.
Vulture.
We was vulturing. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga was scouting. Y'all see it. This bit about deep as hell.
Yeah, we gotta kill.
Sell something to the vlog.
What's up, Florida Atlantic? How you doing?
What the hell is that?
Hey, throw that Z up. I got one.
Right, throw the Z up.
Yeah. What up? We're killing this shit.
Hey, but look. Tell them boys what we doing, man. Tell them boys what we doing.
We in motion.
I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as hell out
We
here.
making this shit work.
There's a whole lot of people now. I'm saying them boys finna
She
go.
going crazy for Kev. We
They
got
finna go to the football game now. I'm saying, hey, look, there's a whole lot of gaps out here. Level 7, level 5.
It's a lot of them. It's a lot of them.
There's a whole lot of
It's a lot of
bunnies.
them.
You don't know
It's a lot
which
of
one to
them.
pick.
Appeal.
It's a
Yeah.
lot of them. But look,
Yeah, please.
I said we just finished this public interview. I'm trying to get some more content. I just picked up the camera to vlog with y'all boys. Everybody leaving now. It's a whole lot of people here. I'm still trying to press on some shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know how I get down. You know what I'm saying? But look, there's a whole lot of people here. Everybody leaving. They had their tailgates boarded. I got people calling me kaicenat. I said I don't know how or why, but people they come up to me say I look like kaicenat. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys. And I said when I pick back up the camera, niggas finna go to this football game. I I don't think I'm gonna go watch it, but nah, this shit's swinging. All of them, they going to the football game, right? Yeah, now we might be back in the dorms with it. We might be back in the dorms with it. Hey, you wanna be in the vlog? So something to vlog. Y'all look good. Pretty girls only. Pretty girls only. Hey. Got the boys in the back. Say something to vlog. Got that boy Trey. Got that boy Nessie.
That boy got motion, man.
Hey, yeah, motion. Got that boy John Cut. KG. Bro, this shit is swinging. This shit is. There's a lot of people out here. I ain't gonna flag, bro.
What's up, vlog? Need them yeekies.
What we doing, bro?
Got them yeekies.
You get someone else.
You and her. I'm trying to bring it to Pound Town. Kaicenat.
Not kaicenat.
That is kaicenat.
That is kaicenat.
Hey, that's the third one today, homie. Kaicenat. Another one.
Them niggas really say I look like kaicenat. Hold on. Chat. If you're watching the video right now, or if you see this timestamp, let me know, bro. Do I really look like that nigga, bro? Hi, bro. Let me know, bro. Cause it's like people.
If you do, we got something for them.
Hey, yeah.
We got something for their
If we do, we got something. Hey,
We got something for their ass.
Let me know down in the comment section if I do look like him, bro. I don't think I look like that nigga. You think I look like?
Oh, you can't lie. Go. If we have bodyguards,
You gotta look like him.
it'll be an army. That'll be the littest thing I've ever seen.
I don't know.
That'll be the littest.
I don't know how I'm gonna handle that.
Yeah.
Stacy Robercheck?
Yeah. How long can you hold it for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Town. That's town. All town.
Oh, guys, this is
Just here
not
to do
good.
cartwheels.
Oh, you guys, I really messed up on a cartwheel. Subscribe to She Loves Tropical. Oh, she does love it.
You guys love tropical?
Yeah.
Hey, your boy see it, man.
Subscribe. Absolutely. I'll follow you.
Go.
Right to, oh.
Here we go.
I love it. I fucking love it.
You too, man. Let me show y'all boys the aftermath of this bit. I ain't gonna flag, bro. Y'all seen how this bit looked before when we came here. Let me show y'all the aftermath of this mug. Nah, I'm saying it's a whole lot of mess up in there. It's big ghost land now. I'm saying everybody was partying. Everybody finna go to the football game now. What we finna do? What they finna do? Everybody left here and shit.
Man, I don't know what little motion is. Them boys might go to the little football game, but I don't know for sure.
They left that bit like a damn party over here.
They not teleported out this, man. Everybody included.
They tear this
They
place
got
up.
little snow bunnies.
No, like, I need to see
Yo, so what's up in the vlog? Hey, come on.
Yeah. What's the question?
I got any crazy college professions? I know you got college professions.
What's college? Oh, fuck no, I can't put that on video.
Can't put it on video. How
No.
about between me and you? I'll put the camera on.
No, fuck.
What, you don't trust me?
Hell no.
Damn,
no.
like that? At least say hey, say what's up to the vlog though.
Hi vlog,
You might
what's up?
subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
Subscribe to She Love Tropical. Y'all know what the fuck's going on.
No
Subscribe
cap.
to that shit. Y'all already
We
know.
going up, no
Like,
cap.
subscribe.
Where the party's at?
That's what we're trying to figure out right now, but
Damn. You finna go to the football game after?
no. Nah.
Not doing
We got the tickets, but we're not going to that. We're trying to go to frat parties and shit, you know.
There's gonna be frat parties today?
I mean,
You know all the frat parties. Let's be real, you know all the frat parties.
I graduated. I mean, I'm trying to
So
see
you
what's
you
still going
graduated
on.
too?
I mean, I know about some shit. I'm trying to figure out. Bruno, get in the vlog.
Oh, I'm in the vlog. Yo,
Yeah.
what up? Yo, it's your boy DJ Jag. I just DJ. Yeah, I'm a DJ. I just DJ podcast
We in
Tailgate.
the vlog. Okay.
Ziza.
Bruno's
Right.
brother,
Yo,
that was
he
a
thought
little
it's square.
offensive.
DJ Dag right here.
Damn.
Best in the game.
No, for sure.
Hit him up.
Subscribe, shout all
Yo,
that. shout
book
all
me,
that.
bro. DJ Dag. Stop playing with him. Stop
Shout
playing with
all
him.
that. Okay. Hey, what the parties at? Though? Like, what
Bro, hell yeah, man. We fucking would, bro, but everyone's got their parents in town and shit. Everyone's
we
super
heard about
fans. Yeah, bro. Yo, next weekend, what we got? What's our next tailgate?
I
me
don't
get your
like you
Snapchat.
anymore.
Oh, for sure.
I thought you were cool.
Bruno.
Thank you all.
Nice to meet you, gang.
For sure. How y'all doing today? Y'all like out here?
Doing great, bro. I'm pretty drunk. I mean, fuck, we had a great tailgate. Shout out, yo, whoever threw fucking beer over our fucking speakers,
That was fucked.
fuck you. You folded our whole tailgate.
Yeah.
I hope you get karma.
Damn.
Thank you very much.